Hey there everybody, if you're watching this video, you probably want to know how to make Reddit TikTok videos using AI 2024. I'm going to show you the step-by-step process. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Using AI to create TikTok videos from Reddit content offers several significant advantages. Firstly, it greatly improves efficiency by automating the process of collecting, analyzing, and transforming Reddit posts into engaging videos. Also, AI ensures consistent quality across all your videos, which is crucial for maintaining a professional brand image. AI offers creative assistance by suggesting elements like music and effects, enhancing the visual appeal of your videos and making them more attractive to viewers. In terms of cost, AI is cost effective. It reduces the need for manual editing and expensive software, making content creation more affordable. And finally, AI aids in trend identification. It can detect trending topics and popular content, ensuring that your videos are timely and relevant to current trends. Now, to make Reddit TikTok videos using AI, go to vsub.io and click on Get Started to create your account. I already have an account, so I will log in automatically. Once you are logged in, head to the pricing page and select a package that suits you. Head over to Reddit and check out the subreddit. Look for a story that you think could go viral. You can check the hot or top posts of the last month for popular stories. Copy the URL of the story you like. Go back to VSub, select Reddit story, choose your language and paste the Reddit link. Click Apply Magic and VSub will create your Reddit story video in just few seconds. Once the video is generated, you can customize everything. Change the background image or video, adjust the AI voiceover including its speed and style, modify the text, fonts and animations as needed, add or remove comments and emojis. When you are happy with the video, click download and upload it to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels or any platform you prefer. This tool is perfect for creating engaging content quickly and is super affordable compared to other options like CapCut. And that's pretty much all about how you can make Reddit TikTok videos using AI in 2024.